Third, finished product inspection. After assembling the step motor, parameter recheck again to ensure the finished product with correct parameters and good insulation. Then, use automatic torque meter equipment to check whether the torque meets the requirement. After that, noise inspection. Make sure that every piece motor with good sound. At last, final inspection before shipping. Measure the motor size according to the drawing. Turn the shaft to make sure motor smooth rotation, and check motor appearance. No scratches. JSS motor. Strict quality control creates high-quality products.